Today's video is just a quick one on fluid art, which I haven't done in a while. And I get asked a lot which is my favorite method for creating fluid art, or the best technique for creating fluid art. And I think it's important to note that there really isn't a best. It's fun to experiment. There's different ways to do fluid art, and there's not really a wrong method, I think. So today what I'm using is a base of my do-it-yourself clear transforming, and I have a video on that if you're interested. And then I'm gonna lay down drops of a dark green, a lime, and I'll have the colors in the description box in case you're curious. A mint, a peach, and this is the inspiration palette for Fluid Friday Friends, which I really quite enjoy. I don't do that many challenges anymore, but I do quite enjoy doing fluid art for Fridays. And then I go back in and layer some more colors on. You just sort of want to make sure that the clear is covered up so you don't have any bald spots. Then just a little bit of the green. Okay, so the method that I've been experimenting with lately is, so after I put in all those drops, I'm gonna go in and sort of mix these about using a Watermarble tool. And then I'm going to lightly stamp it with a stamper, okay? Just gonna smoosh down just gently. And then on both, you should see a design form as well as the cells forming. And I like this method for a couple of reasons. One, I think it creates some cool designs like that you can see here with the lines. And it also makes both sides usable, okay? And it also makes this on the stamper really quite thin, and so it dries quicker and it's quite pliable, and it only takes a couple of hours for it to dry on that silicone stamper. Now I will say these Creative Shop space stampers are really great for this, because not only are they big stampers, but they're fairly flat. Some of the clear stampers are a little bit more curvy, and so it's hard to get a nice even smush onto the polishes. So just be aware of that, but I think these are pretty perfect for that. And hopefully, I'll bring this up, you can see the cool cells that form with this. And I really like seeing those multicolored cells form. The cells on the stamper aren't as great, but they still are pretty interesting. And I just like that sort of pattern that they form in the middle there. So anyway, I hope that was useful. And as always, let me know if you have any questions.